Minimalist Beach Vacation Wardrobe. Title: Embracing Simplicity, the Minimalist Beach Vacation Wardrobe. Picture yourself on a serene beach, with the gentle caress of waves and the warmth of the sun creating an idyllic atmosphere. As you plan your much-awaited beach vacation, one aspect that often takes center stage is packing. The dilemma of overpacking or underpacking can turn into a daunting task. However, there's a solution that can alleviate this stress: embracing a minimalist approach to your beach vacation wardrobe. By curating a versatile and carefully thought-out collection of clothing, you can enhance your travel experience while embracing the joy of simplicity. The essence of minimalism. Minimalism is more than just a design trend, it's a lifestyle that focuses on prioritizing experiences and eliminating unnecessary clutter. This philosophy can easily be applied to your travel wardrobe, ensuring that you have just what you need without the burden of excess. A minimalist beach vacation wardrobe allows you to savor your time away without fretting over outfit choices or carrying around a bulky suitcase. Building blocks of a minimalist beach wardrobe. 1. Neutral palette. The foundation of your minimalist wardrobe should begin with a neutral color palette. Shades of white, beige, khaki, and soft pastels not only evoke a tranquil beach vibe but also offer versatility. These neutral tones can be easily mixed and matched, creating a variety of stylish and cohesive outfit combinations. 2. Quality over quantity. Investing in high-quality, durable clothing items is essential for a minimalist wardrobe. Instead of packing multiple inexpensive options, opt for a few well-made pieces that will withstand the rigors of travel and the beach environment. 3. Multifunctional pieces. Select clothing that can serve multiple purposes. A lightweight sundress can double as a beach cover-up in an evening outfit with the right accessories. A button-down linen shirt can be worn casually over a swimsuit or dressed up for a sunset dinner. 4. Layering options. Even in warmer climates, evenings can bring a cool breeze. Incorporate a few lightweight layers into your wardrobe, like a stylish cardigan or a versatile scarf, to ensure you're prepared for any temperature changes. 5. Comfortable footwear. Shoes can take up valuable suitcase space. Opt for a pair of comfortable sandals that can be worn both on the beach and during casual strolls. If necessary, pack one pair of slightly dressier shoes for any formal outings. 6. Essential accessories. Minimalist doesn't mean devoid of style. Choose a few key accessories, like a classic sun hat, a statement necklace, and a versatile beach tote. These items can elevate your outfits without the need for excess. Capsule wardrobe for your beach getaway. Creating a capsule wardrobe for your beach vacation is a practical and stylish way to ensure you have all you need. Let's break down the key components of a minimalist beach vacation wardrobe. Tops. White linen shirt, a timeless staple that can be worn as a cover-up, tied at the waist, or paired with shorts for a chic look. Flowy blouse. Opt for a breezy blouse that can be dressed up for dinners or down for beach walks. Bottoms. High-waisted shorts. These can be easily paired with various tops and provide a flattering silhouette. Wide leg pants. Ideal for cooler evenings and adding a touch of sophistication to your outfits. Dresses. Sundress, a lightweight, comfortable dress that's perfect for both beach days and casual outings. Maxi dress. This versatile option can be dressed up or down, making it suitable for day or night activities. Swimwear. Bikini or swimsuit. Pack one or two of your favorite swimsuits for endless beach relaxation. Cover-up. Choose a cover-up that complements your swimwear and can double as a casual outfit. Outerwear. Lightweight cardigan, an essential layering piece for cooler evenings and unexpected temperature drops. Footwear. Comfortable sandals. Opt for a pair of supportive sandals that can take you from the beach to the streets. Casual sneakers or espadrilles. If you plan on engaging in active pursuits or exploring the area, having a comfortable pair of sneakers is a must. Accessories. Sun hat. Shield yourself from the sun in style with a classic sun hat. Sunglasses. Protect your eyes while adding a touch of glamour to your look. Beach tote. A spacious tote bag can carry your essentials to the beach and beyond. Statement necklace. Elevate your outfits with a versatile necklace that can transition from day to night. Packing tips for a stress-free experience. 1. Plan outfits. Before you start packing, plan your outfits for each day of your vacation. Mix and match pieces to create a variety of looks without overloading your suitcase. 2. Roll your clothes. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them can save space and prevent wrinkles. 3. Use packing cubes. These handy organizers can help compartmentalize your items and keep your suitcase tidy. 4. Limit shoes. Shoes can be heavy and take up significant space. Stick to one or two pairs that are versatile and comfortable. 5. Toiletries and essentials. Keep your toiletries to a minimum by packing travel-sized products or investing in reusable travel containers. 6. Digital entertainment. Instead of packing physical books, consider using a tablet or e-reader to access your reading material. 7. Laundry options. If your accommodation offers laundry facilities, take advantage of them to re-wear clothing items. Embracing the freedom of minimalism. The allure of a minimalist beach vacation wardrobe lies in the freedom it offers. With less time spent pondering outfit choices and less weight to carry, you can truly immerse yourself in the beauty of your surroundings and the experiences that await. Embracing minimalism doesn't mean sacrificing style. It's about curating a collection of pieces that serve you well and allow you to make the most of your time away.